Alright, guys. So basically, right now in New York, there's a tornado happening in New York, and one of my sisters is in New York. Literally, look at these clouds. It's a tornado happening right next. Literally, I went to New York one time. So basically, I know. Is that another tornado? There? I know. Yeah, right there, right there. Is that a tornado? Tell me if that moves. I think there's a tornado happening right now. A new tornado. Yeah, there's probably a tornado happening right now. And right now, literally. I'm gonna have to pee. Okay, back. So there's probably a tornado gonna happen again. Like another tornado. I could probably see the tornado, but it's probably over there somewhere. Because look at those clouds. It's actually probably a tornado. So it's nearby. And it is nearby because it's in... So, okay. Basically, I have to say it. I'm in Linden. And there's a tornado in New York. It's the most nearest one I actually know. And like the nearest state, I think. And like it's literally a tornado happening in New York right now. So I'm probably gonna pause until it rains probably. I don't know. Because it's not raining. So nothing's even happening. Imagine it just gives me a warning right now. Just now. I'm probably gonna freak out. Oh my god, imagine I'm in the path of a fucking tornado. And we probably will. Linden is actually near to New York. And let me tell you this, I know it's the Statue of Liberty in there. So RIP, probably. Wait. Right there. Yeah, right there. Bro, guys, it's actually kind of cloudy a lot. So like, I don't know, what is actually gonna happen. And I'm probably gonna pause. What the hell was that noise? Yes, I'm in the United States. I don't know what the hell to do, but yeah. No, I'm gonna show my phone. I'm gonna show the phone. In 3, 2, 1. Okay, you probably saw my face. But yeah, probably no one's gonna watch this video. Probably, maybe. I think I should zoom into this. Okay. One's there. What? Why? But there is a tornado right. And I could probably, because it's very windy here. I don't know what to do, but like, yeah. Yeah, just hold on. Guys, I think it's over there. I think it's over there. I think it's over there. It's over there somewhere. Like, it has to be here. It has to be right here somewhere. Oh my god, hold on. I think I should know that it's like over there somewhere. Just has to be somewhere over there, because when it is here, right? And New York is probably over there, so it has to be somewhere there. But it's just very far, and I just can't see it probably. So like, yeah, no. But like, I don't know what I should do. But yes. There's probably gonna be another tornado forming. But I'm gonna like pause the video for no reason. And yeah. Well, I don't know, but I don't think there's gonna be nothing. So like, yeah. And I don't know why I just recorded it. But in the beginning of the video, I will put a picture. So bye.